Hi everyone. Welcome to the Builder. Can you hear my voice? Welcome to the FlipHTML5. We are happy to have you as our new members. My name is Ling Tang, and on today's in today's webinar, I will guide you through the basic process of creating a book and highlight some essential settings for you. I won't go through each features one by one or cover all details. And if you have any questions, you can leave us the question in the chat rooms, and our assistant will answer you, or I will give you an answer at the end. Here's today's agenda. We have 4 parts. The first part will introduce what is FlipHTML5, and the second part will come to see how to create our first flipbook. And the third part is a brief introduction to the page editor. And last, we will come to the Q&A session. Now, before we dive into the topic, let's take a look at what FlipHTML5 is. FlipHTML5 is all-in-one online flipbook maker. With FlipHTML5, you have the ability to upload your files or start from a pre-designed template to create stunning flipbooks, including magazines, brochure, catalog, etc. You can also add links or video or other multimedia elements to enhance your flipbook with the page editor in FlipHTML5. Once your flipbook is ready, you can just simply obtain the book link and easily share it across every channels like Facebook, YouTube, or other social media. FlipHTML5 also provides you the options to sell books, allowing you to generate revenue from your flipbook. Without further ado, let's dive right in to create our first flipbook together. Open a browser. Visit the FlipHTML5 website. To begin, we need to log in to our account. Sorry, let's start right. Log in to our account, then it's the information in Node 8. Click on the upload option located in the top right corner here. Click upload and proceed to upload our first flipbook. We can either upload files directly from our local computer, click raw files here, or upload the files through a link or from Dropbox. You can directly upload the files, or you can open the conversion settings in the bottom left corner here, customize them, and then proceed with the file upload. Many of you may be unfamiliar with these conversion settings, so I will take this opportunity to introduce them to you. The first one is page split modes. There are 5 available split mode for book conversions. In most cases, the default mode auto will be suitable for most PDF files. However, if you notice that your PDF pages are being split incorrectly, such as one page being divided into 2, or in this situation, you can consider changing the page split mode. For further details, you can visit our help center to learn more about how to choose the appropriate split modes. The help center, click the support option on our official website and visit our help center. Split mode. Enter the keywords split mode. You can see all the detailed information here. We have introduced these split modes one by one. If you are interested in it, you can go to our help center and get more information. The next setting is for page rendering quality. Here you have 5 render engines: full vector, HD image, HD text, inner library, GPL, GoScript. If you encounter the following issues, I have listed these issues on the slides. We can take a look at it. There are some potential problems that may occur if you choose the incorrect render engines. The first one is the visual glitches. The pages might not display correctly, causing visual glitches, distortion, or missing elements. For example, image or text within your original files, PDFs may be missing or not imported into the flipbook. The second one is it may cause slow performance. Using an inefficient render engine might result in slow loading times and performance issue when interacting with the PDF. And the third one is incorrect formatting. Text, image, or layouts may appear improperly, leading to readability problems. The fourth one is missing features. Certain features, interactive element, like your clickable link in your PDF cannot function after you import the PDF to our platform. In this situation, you can consider change change the render engine. The last one is the compatibility issue. The PDF might not be rendered consistently across different devices, browsers, or operating system. Like you can read the pages correctly on Windows computer, but it's not readable on iMac or MacBook. If you encounter these mentioned issues, we can go to the uploading process and choose a correct render engines and re-upload the PDF. You can simply understand the full vector, HD image, HD text. These three are the vector engines. Like if you applying the vector engines, if you applying the vector engines to your files, the content in your book will not lose its clarity, regardless of how much you scale the book pages. We recommend you use these three vector engines for converting your books. The last settings is page range. If you are importing a multi-page files, you have the option to import all pages or select a specific page for your Facebook. Here, I will use all the default settings. I will use the auto HD image, all pages, and convert the conversion settings. Upload a PDF. I will upload a PDF here. The conversion process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of the PDF you upload to the platform. You can also leave the page while the converting process. Once the file have finished converting, if you don't need make any customization to your books, you can just fill out the book information in the left corner and proceed to share it. The book information including title, description, label, keywords. Completing the book information is very essential for better performance on search engines, because it can help the search engines understand your content better. You can description and write it's a book about what. You can blah blah and choose a label for the book and add keywords here. If you would like to make additional customization to your book, let's explore the customization options on the left side, I will highlight some often used settings for you. It's very important to know that we can only make changes rather than the book pages. We can customize the background toolbar, but we can make changes to the book pages. The first one is the design. Design here. We can use the default settings. The first one is the Google Analytics ID. Actually, we have two options to monitor the performance of our FlipBooks. We can use the Google Analytics or our cell bill statistic tools. The first one is the Google Analytics ID. You can add the measurement ID in your Google Analytics account to check the performance of the book, or you can directly check the data of your book while the statistic feature built in FlipHTML5. The next one is the logo settings. To showcase your brand, you can add your brand logo here. Brand logo. I will use our HTML5 logo as an example. Stay successfully. It's let me change HTML5. You can also add a link to the logo. We can add official website URL here. When you click on the logo, it will redirect you to the website you enter. If you want to slightly move the logos to the right size, we can increase the margins here. Increase the value. It's the left side margin. 25 is left margins. The page display. The default mode is the double page mode. It's the double page mode. This is a landscape direction PDF. So we will recommend you apply the single page mode for landscape direction PDF. What is the landscape? Landscape and This is the landscape direction. This is a portrait. If we apply the single page mode for a landscape direction PDF, the book page will be bigger, like this one. The next one is the loading task. We can add a loading task for the Facebook. Like we can name the loading task as FlipHTML5. It's saving. Save successfully. This is the loading caption, loading text. This one. We can also change the loading background color. Change it to the and saving. This is the loading background color. Background loading color. The shadow settings. Let me change back to the double page mode first to show you the shadow setting. Shadow settings. Page display, double page mode, and display setting. The shadow settings. It's still saving. It's the shadows. This is the shadow. If you want to remove this shadow, we can change all the value to 0. Then it will like a slide. We have removed all the shadows. Then you can note the effect at this on these book pages. So cover settings, cover. Cover. It's also an often used feature by our users. The border color can be changed here. It's still saving the hardcover. Let's wait a second, a few seconds. The settings cannot be applied. Escape these settings for now. Let's move on to the toolbar settings. These two are the toolbar we call in the Facebook. We can add buttons, feature buttons to the toolbar. We can also disable the toolbar. It is still saving. I can show you the final effect since the saving process is quite slow. Toolbar. If we remove the toolbar, it will show like this. We can also change the toolbar color. This is the hard cover. It's the border of the hard cover. The next one I want to introduce is the background cell. We can enable the background cell button and add an audio file. I don't have an MP3 file on my computer, so I will skip this step. The next one is the profile. Profile is also an option to showcase your brand on the detailed information for your company or yourself. We can enable the profile button. Enable the profile button and add profile content. Click set up and we can add a logo. Enter the user. Telephone address or other information. You can add all this information to the profile content. Which one? This is the profile content. We can also understand it as about information. The next one is the download setting. We can enable. If you want your readers to be able to download your flipbook, you can enable the download features. Besides toggling this setting on, we still need to set the download files for this option. We recommend providing a PDF version for your readers to download. Download this publication as a PDF. The next one is the things. Things can change the toolbar designs. We can apply these popular things and this is the popular thing for the toolbar. The next one is the navigation options. To help your reader better navigate your books, especially for those books that have many pages, We can add TOCs, table of contents, or bookmarks, or change the language for the tooltips. What is tooltips? This search thumbnail auto-fit the names in for the feature buttons on the toolbar are the tooltips. We can change the language for the tooltip here. We can change to Dutch. And check English. And this is the Dutch interface language. Bookmarks. We can this is the bookmarks. TOC. We can add TOCs. Right, it's the home page. We can add TOC here. The TOC. Table of contents. The next one is the monetization option. With FlipHTML5, you also have the opportunity to earn money from your Facebook. We provide 3 different options for the monetizations. You can add apps banner or use Google AdSense, or you can utilize our digital sale features to directly sell your Facebook. The next one is the visibility feature. The default settings is we set the Facebook as public. If you can also keep your Facebook private, or you can use a password or multiple password to protect your books. You can also enter your reader's email to protect your books. The next one is the fonts option. Some of you may want to collect the information from your readers. So we provide this, so we develop these features. Here are some available fonts. Like if you want to collect your readers' name and email, you can use the second one template. And your reader need to fill the forms before they entering the books. You can also toggle this verify the email option on. You may wonder if they are entering an email that is active. So if you are worrying about it, you can toggle this option on. That's all for the customization settings. After completing the customization process, you might wonder if you can apply these settings to other books without to set them one by one again. And it's possible. Here are my designs. We can export our current settings as a template. Settings, format, language, TLC, layout, fast, and name the template line on my template A, then say the template. The template will be saved in your account, and you can, if you upload other new Facebook, you will still see your customization template in my designs. That's the second part for the customization settings. Let's come to the third part, the page editor. As mentioned earlier in this onboarding webinar, I will only cover some commonly used settings and features. So, I will start by let us start by taking a look at how to add the basic elements such as links, image, text, video, and audios. We can select an element. These are the supporting elements. We can add these supporting elements to our book pages and then use the settings available in the right color to make changes or make any modifications to the element we added to the book pages. We can choose the link element and adjust the cover area. We can add a trigger action to this link. Go to URL. Use can change to the preview page and view the effect. When you click on the link, it will redirect you to the website page. You can also add the go to page trigger action. We have 8 pages in this book. If I want our readers to be redirected to page A, we can enter A here, total page A. we need to put our window. Pop-up, you can also add a pop-up image, add a phone number, pop-up message, pop-up video. This feature, these settings are often used. We can also add elements, add image to our favorites. You can use the resources provided in the online library or upload your own image. Interactions button, add buttons. The text in the buttons can be modified. In the icons, change the icons, colors, text. It's the hotspot option. It's eye-catching. If you want to attract your reader's attention for some important items or message, you can add a hotspot on the page. You can still add this trigger action to the hotspot. The next one is the video option. We can directly embed video with scripts, codes, or we can upload we can also embed YouTube or Vimeo videos. Add an online video link is also available. Let me create a new blank page to show you better. Here I choose to embed a YouTube video. Go to the YouTube website and choose the video ID. The video ID is after the video ID is after the V and the V comma. This is the video ID. We need to add this ID to the platform. Close it's quite simple. You can also upload your local MP4 video. MP4 video. It's MP4 video. The problem is the video does not start at second 0. There is some problem in the video I uploaded, so I will skip this part. You can add your local MP4 video by click upload the local video option here. The next one is the audio option. There are two audio player available. These two audio player. You can either add single audio or multi audios. Click upload video. The audio file should in MP3 format. These are some commonly used features in the page editor. If you have any other specific features you would like to learn about, you can leave us message or contact us by submitting a ticket. And we will introduce more detail we will provide you with more step-by-step tutorial in the upcoming webinars. That's the third part for a brief introduction to the page editor. Now let's come to the final part, Q&A session. Let me check if you have any question for me in the chat room. Embedding the video is not my priority. First, I need to learn about the basics and the concept behind FlipHTML5. I would like to learn how FlipHTML5 is better. For example, issue the platform we use for publishing at the moment. That thing, I don't know if I pronounced in the correct way. Issue. I think compared to issue, for HTML5 is more cost-effective option for publishing digital Facebook publications. You can. I don't know what basic settings or the concept you want to know, and you can give us further explanation. We will very appreciate it. Can I get a recording of Jasmine? I can follow the sounds not clear. Open create. Miss, you can directly open your microphone and tell us your questions. Remove.
Hi, my question was like, can I use JPEG, or what would you prefer when I upload my images? Will you prefer a JPEG or a PDF?
You want to upload image.
Yes.
You can.
I mean, when I upload the
You
pages,
upload the JPG format or the PNG.
so JPEG basically, which I should upload in JPEG and not in PDF.
You can there are multiple supported file formats you can upload. PDF is I use PDF as the example, but it's not the priority option. You can add all the supported file formats to the platform. You can file type supporting. We can see the supported formats here. We support.
Yeah, I see that you can do a lot of different things, but
Yes.
what is a preferable thing? Because I have more than 25 pages. So, will this file size make a difference?
How many pages in your flipbook? In your files?
25.
25.
And it says 500 MB. So, you would prefer.
Uh, in this situation, we may recommend you combine the image into a PDF first and then upload it to our platform.
Okay, and it can be
You
maximum
can
1
use,
MB or something
you can
like.
use these two to combine your PDF. I think it called I love PDF.
Okay.
I guess it's this two. You can use these two to combine the image.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
I had one more question.
Oh, okay.
When you said you wanted to, we can add link to our pages. So
Mm,
I guess should I need to select the entire page, or should I need to select one of the words? Is it possible to select one of the words and then put a link in it?
mm. Do you want to add the links to the pages with the page editor, or you have existing links in your files, in your uploaded files?
Yeah, because I have already created the pages. So
Mm,
if I want somebody to click on those pages
oh,
and go to a certain.
mm. Sorry, I can understand your requirement clearly. So could you write your question down and send us message in the chat room?
Uh, is there a support email where I can communicate, like
Oh,
if I have certain problems while doing
sure.
it?
You can contact us by email at support. I will write it down in the chat room. Support at FlipHTML5.com. You can email us at
Okay. And what is response time? Like a day or two?
You can also submit a ticket.
Okay. Got it. Help center.
Thank you.
I got it. Thank you so much.
You can also directly submit a ticket here.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. I want to know about how
Security
how safe,
options. The
how
visible.
safe are the files that we upload to the server? How safe are those files? Are they stored on your server? Uh, how secure are those files?
Do you want your content show on the search engines?
I don't understand your response. Do you understand my question?
Do you want to show the content to others, like if
No,
no,
it's a private. No,
or it's private? You can let me upload a blank screen here. We can see there is a visibility option provided
okay.
here, and you can wait a minute uh, for the book ready. Then after you upload the book and go to the visibility option, you can just check the private option and keep your Facebook public to keep your Facebook private.
Okay.
Also mouse on the question mark to see the explanation. Only the
Okay,
people
but
who accept the book link. It means if you share this link, you can share this link to somebody you want.
okay. What about are your servers based in China or the US? Where are your servers
Also,
based?
we use the Amazon server service. I guess the server is based on the United States of America.
Okay, is that on Amazon?
Yes, we use the server service provided by Amazon.
Okay, so they're pretty secured. So they're very secure that nobody can take those files and manipulate them. So is there some assurance those files, my files, are safe?
We take our customers' content safety as our priority. We will use your content uploaded to our platform and share it to others if you want to keep it as private.
Okay, okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Want to join this call. Is there anyone else want to ask me a question? If not, I will leave this presentation and end this call.
I have one more question. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm still there.
Yeah, if I exceed the maximum files, number allowed, is it 500 MD? Will it reduce the page size? How do I manage that if I go over the size, over the capacity?
The capacity, I I'm not sure the answer for this question, so I think you may need to contact our support for the
Okay.
explanation.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Thank you.
No worries. You can contact us by this email.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Thank you.
Never mind. I'm going to end today's presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by submit a ticket or directly email us by support@FlipHTML5.com. Thanks for your participation today, and we wish you will enjoy your journey in FlipHTML5. Bye.
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 Is we going around?